Hello, and welcome to Deerstream English. This video is part of a series that can help you to learn how to answer common everyday English questions. So I'm going to show you 5 questions and give you different ways to answer them. Let's begin. Okay, so it's called What Would You Say If? And the first situation is you were late for work because there was too much traffic. So what would you say if you were late for work because there was too much traffic? I've listed 5 different examples here. First one starts with, I'm sorry. You can say, I'm sorry that I was late. I apologize. It's a different way of saying I'm sorry. You can say, I apologize for being late. The next one has because. I am late because there was too much traffic. And the next one, we are talking to our boss and we say, I hope you understand, right? I hope you understand why I am late. And the last one is, next time I will make sure to leave my house earlier. Or you could say, next time I will make sure to wake up earlier. So that's 5 different ways you can explain why you were late for work because of traffic. Next one, what would you say if your friend is sad because they failed their English exam? Again, we have 5 options. First one, don't worry, you can do better next time. Don't worry, you can do better next time. And the next one, you should study more before the next test. Or you should come over to my house and we can watch a movie and then you'll feel better. Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. Don't worry about your exam. Everything will be okay. We can watch a movie together. I hope you feel better. I hope you feel better soon. I hope you feel better tomorrow. I hope you feel better. Don't worry about your exam. And the last one, I can help you. I can help you study for your next exam. I can help you practice English. I can help you to feel better. So the next situation, you need to explain to your child why they should study hard. What would you say? The first one, studying will help you learn about dinosaurs. I say dinosaurs because a lot of kids like dinosaurs. But what do kids like? Studying will help you learn how to make video games. Studying will help you learn about the world. You should what? You can say, you should study for half an hour every evening. You should study for 1 hour before you watch TV. Number 3, if you study, you will be able to become an astronaut. If you study, you will be able to get a good job. Learning can be fun because, why? Well, we have to think, what do kids like, right? Learning can be fun because you can learn about animals. Learning can be fun because if you are smart, people will like to talk to you. And how can you help your child? I can help you study by reading you this book. I can help you. If you have any questions, just ask. The next situation, you are trying to convince someone to do more exercise. What would you say? The first example, exercising will help you be stronger. Or exercising will help you lose weight. Exercising will help you feel happy. Number 2, you should exercise because it's really fun. Or you should exercise because if you do, you will feel happy. If you exercise, you will be able to lift 100 pounds. If you exercise, you will be able to run a marathon. Exercising can be fun. Why? Exercising can be fun because it gives you a chance to meet new people. Exercising can be fun because going to the gym is a great way to get out of the house. And lastly, I can help you exercise by playing football with you. I can help you exercise by going for a run with you. Okay, the next situation. What would you say if you tell your friend that you want to move to a new country? I want to move to a new country because I want to study abroad. I want to move to a new country because I want to go on an adventure. I want to move to a new country because I need to find a new job. I have been thinking about this since. So this shows how long you've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about it since January. I've been thinking about it since last week. I've been thinking about it since yesterday. I think that the best country to live in is ... Just say the name of the country. I think that the best country to live in is Mexico. I hope that you will... Remember, you're telling your friend you want to move to a new country. So what do you hope they will do? I hope that you will come and visit me. I hope that you will stay in touch. And last, in the new country, I will study. In the new country, I will find a job. So here you just tell them what you want to do in the new country. Okay, so that was part 1 in this video series, which helps you to answer questions that are common in daily English. If you need any help, just let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. Good luck studying.